Let's talk about Europe because there's a lot coming up. Italian referendum this Sunday, Austrian presidential election. We just got the news out of France that Hollande is not running, though he was at like 3% in the polls, so it's not a huge deal. But how do you think about these sort of developments ahead in Europe?
Yes, I think that what a lot of people in the market sees is they see 2 points on what they think could be a wave. The two points are the Brexit and Trump's election. And so we are looking at, the market, I think, is looking for the third point. Where is it going to be? And we think it's going to be in Europe, but we're not exactly sure where. A lot of people are focusing on Italy this weekend, partly because the Prime Minister, who's basically saying he could resign if he doesn't get what he wants. Problem I have is that this is not going to really change much in Italy. If he does resign, if Renzi does resign, there'll be another technocrat government. It's not the five-star movement, which is this populist, more nationalist movement that's questioning whether they should be in part of the Eurozone at all. I think that the real problem, the real challenge, I think, for people are going to be on Monday is not going to be the Italian election or the Italian referendum. The Austrian election, it's likely, and the polls suggest, that the far-right candidate, which would be the first time a far-right candidate heads a European country, is president of a European country since the end of World War II. This would be that third populist point.
So this is the sleeper because almost, most of the talk is about Italy on Sunday, but you think the real story is what could happen in Austria on Sunday?
Exactly, because I don't think nothing really changes in Italy. I mean, eventually it will change.
People expect a no vote anyway.
Exactly. People expect a no vote. They're focused on it. And most recently, what's interesting is the Italian banks have rallied. The Italian stock market has outperformed. I think this week it's outperformed the other markets, and Italian bonds have bounced back as well. And so bounced back meaning relative to Germany. And so for me, the market is focusing on Italy when the thing that's going to hurt us is going to be in Austria.